Hi everybody, and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to create a Flippa account. Whether you're looking to buy or sell websites, online businesses, or digital assets, you'll need an account to get started. Let's begin. You can use the link in the description to sign up on Flippa. Once the website loads, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a button that says Sign Up. Click on that button to start creating your account. Now you'll be taken to the registration page. Here, Flippa gives you two main ways to create an account. You can sign up using your Google account, or you can register with your email address and a password. If you prefer using your Google account, simply click the button that says Sign Up with Google. A pop-up will appear, asking you to choose the Google account you want to use. Click the account you want and Flippa will automatically create your profile using that information. If you'd rather sign up using email, type your email address in the first box. Then, choose a password that's strong and secure. Flippa requires your password to be at least 8 characters long. It's a good idea to include both letters and numbers. After that, enter your first name and your last name into the boxes provided. Once you've filled in all your details, click the Create Account button. After you click Create Account, Flippa will send a confirmation email to the address you just used. Open your email inbox and look for a message from Flippa. It should arrive within a few minutes. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or junk folder. When you find the email, open it and click on the link inside. This will confirm your email address and activate your account. Once your account is confirmed, you'll be redirected back to the Flippa website. You may be asked to complete your profile. This means adding a profile picture, selecting your interests, and writing a short bio. While this step is optional, it helps you build trust with other users, especially if you're planning to sell a website or business. That's all it takes to create a Flippa account. Remember to keep your login details secure and make sure your profile stays up to date. Whether you're buying or selling, Flippa is a useful tool for anyone interested in digital assets. You can use the link in the description to sign up on Flippa.